Hi guys, Ms. Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 12. And in this lesson we're going to be talking about being able to add tens to a two-digit number. So looking at this, we have 17 plus 20. Now, we have two different strategies that we can use with this. We can either do decomposing, which we all know that decomposing just means breaking down a number, or drawing a picture with our quick tens. I'm going to first show you decomposing, and then we can check our answer with a picture. So there's 17 plus 20. Now we are going to break up the number that has tens and ones. Well, 17 has 1 10, 7 ones. 20 has 2 tens, but no ones at all. So 17 is the only number that has tens and ones for this lesson. So 17 we're going to break apart into tens and ones. So I know that 17 has 10, 7, if we say it the 10 way, or 1 10, 7 ones. So that 17 is 10, 7. And I put the 10 on this side just because it'll make it easier for the next step. So now what we do is that we add our tens. I know there's 10 right here and 20 right here. So I know that 10 plus 20 is 30. Because I know that this 2 in the tens place and this 1 in the tens place will be 3 in the tens place. And then they both have 0 1. So then it'll just be 0 ones. So it's 30. And now we add our tens and ones together, which in this case is 7 and 30. So I know that 30 plus 7 is 37. So the answer is 37. Now let's check with using our quick 10 picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 17 using my quick tens. So I know that 17 has 1 10, 7 1. So I'm going to draw that. 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to draw my 20, which I know is 2 tens. So now I can count it. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, which is my answer. So check, I have it correct. All right, guys, that's it for this video.